Activision Blizzard has confirmed plans to make its games available on Xbox Game Pass in 2024 as part of Microsoft's $69 billion acquisition deal, expected to close soon. While Microsoft aims to include Activision Blizzard titles in Game Pass, the integration won't happen immediately. Activision Blizzard clarified that games like Modern Warfare 3 and Diablo 4 won't join Game Pass this year. However, after regulatory approval, they anticipate gradually adding their titles to Game Pass in 2024, expanding access to a wider audience. This move signals Microsoft's commitment to enriching its gaming ecosystem and making popular titles more accessible.